Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, in a ways, the pound did make a very significant push up today. Very, very strong pound. Now, looking at the euro dollar and the US dollar index for correlation, I actually think this could be an expanding flat. I think that could be an impulsive up wave A. I think this could be three waves down wave B. And I think this is actually a wave C. Expanding flats, the most likely places to go is either the 168 or the 178 or the 261.8 or the 278. Price is definitely respecting that 271.8 level. If it does continue to maintain momentum, especially if it goes down and makes an engulfing move to the downside, I think it would confirm that this really is the end of a wave C, and most likely that would be the continuation of the downtrend. So definitely keep an eye on your structure. It is getting a little bit late in the day for this to just take off, but if it does just go down, break structure, then I would definitely for sure be spending at least the next day or so looking for shorts in a downtrend, especially on shorter time frames than this. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.